Hello children, today I will teach you about factorization. How to factorize a number. For that, first of all, you should know what are the prime numbers. I should give little bit introduction of prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, 2. 1 is not prime, 2. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7, then 11, 13 and 17, 19 and so on. These are the prime numbers because these are only in ones table and self table. They have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. They do not have any other factor than 1 and itself. So when you factorize a number, suppose here we have taken example of 140. You have to start with a prime number, that is lowest prime number, that is 2. 2, then if it is not divisible by 2, go for 3. If it is not divisible by 3, go for 5. If it is not divisible by 5, then go for 7. Like this you have to factorize. Okay, now we see that here ones place is 0. That means 140 is divisible by 2. So if you can't do here directly, you divide and check कि 140 when we divide by 2, what is the quotient? 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14 will give you 0 and this 0, 2 zeros are 0. So here the quotient is 70. So we are dividing by 2. So it will be here 2 and quotient right here below that. Okay. Now again here ones place is 0. So again 70 is divisible by 2. If you can't divide directly, you check whether it is divisible or not. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Then write this 0 here. Then again 2 5s are 10. Yes, it is divisible by 2. What is the quotient? 35. Write 35 here and here 2. Again, but we observe that here it is 5. So we have already learned the divisibility test. Divisibility test of 5 is one's place should be 5 or 0. So we observe here that one's place is 5. That means 35 is divisible by 5. So we will write here 5. Now directly as it is a smaller number, we can count table and then we can see how many times you have to count and you will get 35. So 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Again 7. Now we observe that 7 is a prime number. It is not having more than two factors. It has factors only 1 in itself. So 7 will be divisible by itself. 7 ones are 7. Okay. So what are the prime factors we got of 140? The prime factors are 2, 2, 5 and 7. We can write it as 2 square into 5 into 7. So these are the prime factors of 140. One more thing I will tell. All the composite numbers. What are the composite numbers? See, these are prime numbers. The numbers which are not prime, they are composite. See here, we don't have 4. That means 4 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 8, 9, 12, they are composite numbers because they have more than two factors. So they are composite number. And every composite number, each and every composite number can be written as product of its prime. So 140 is also a composite number because it is not a prime. It has so many factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors. Now 140 can be written as product of its primes. That means 140 is a composite number. Each and every composite number can be written as product of its prime numbers. Okay. So these are the factors, product of primes. These are the product of primes of 140. Now next, to try 75. We know here ones place is 5. So it is not divisible by 2 and it is not divisible by 3. But it is divisible by 5. Because divisibility test of 5 is ones place should be 5 or 0. Then that number is divisible by 5. Now what to do? If you can't divide here directly, you divide as usual. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 will give you 2 and here write down 5. 5 5s are 25. So yes, it is completely divisible. So 5 15s are. What is the quotient? 15s are. 5 15s are 75. Now again 15. 5 3s are 15. Again 3 1s are 3. Okay. So what are the prime factors of 75? The prime factors of 75 are 5, 5 and 3. Or you can write 3 into 5 square. Okay. So again we got here prime factors. So 75 can be written as product of its primes. So 75 is a composite number because already I told all the composite numbers can be written as products of their primes. Right. Now some more examples I am giving. You try them. Suppose we take as, which number do you want to take now? 82. Okay, let us divide. Here one's place is 2. So 1 place is 2 means, yes, it is divisible by 2. Divide. 82 divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. Here 0. Again 2 here you will get. So 2 1s are 2. Okay, 0. So we will get here 2 and here 2 4s are 2 1s are. Okay, now we have got 41 and 41 is a prime number. That's why 41 ones are 41 because 41 do not have more than two factors. It has self number, its factor and 1. It has only two factors, 1 and itself. 41 comes in one's table as well as in 41's table, but 41 is not there in any other table. It do not have more than two factors. Okay, 41 is a prime number. Now I will give some more example. You will solve them. 5005, 6297 and here 250. These three problems you try and find out the prime factors.